Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today we got some exciting stuff. I want to take the Supra out for a rip because it hasn't gotten nearly enough love. I haven't driven it very much at all, and I miss the car, and I'm sure you guys do as well. And then, as I mentioned in the last video where I gave a tour of my house, a little update on everything from building a beach at my house. Seriously, if you haven't checked out that video, here's a little preview right now of the beach. So I ended up buying 12,000 pounds of sand. I made a beach at my house. Talked about the future plans for the racetrack as well as other modifications to the house, including painting the house black on this section and then painting it white on the rest of the section. But the real exciting news for today is I finally am undergoing my dream garage renovation, and it is going really, really well. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Check it out. Three, two, one, you're ready. Guys, I am so excited to finally have a garage that I actually enjoy and that is actually, well, completely me. Everything is custom, it's nowhere near done, but check out the progress so far. As you guys have seen in the past, we've got these awesome black floors with these little silver flakes. I love the way it makes the car pop against that all black. Then, of course, I made the garage walls black. I drywalled the ceiling. Now I'm working back here on a custom little spray paint job, nowhere near done, but I'm gonna make the Vehicle Virgins logo right there. I'm also in talks with a friend that's going to spray paint some really, really cool custom graffiti on the wall. Potentially Lamborghini emblems or old school cars, maybe even some of these cars in the collection. And I think it'll make it look super, super cool. But something really cool for the garage that I am so stoked about is this right here. Check this out, guys. This is called a lev rack. So it's 8 feet tall, has unbelievably cool amounts of storage. And, well, I'll go through it one by one. So, come on in here. We got this cool ambient light. Got my helmets up here. Some random washing supplies. There's drawers for tools. Got a whole bunch of excess gasoline for the cars. Spray paint for doing some more designs. And the coolest part of the lev rack is the fact, look at this. You can slide it as it floats above the ground. I love cool gadgets, guys, and normally shelving is not really all that cool, but this lev rack with the levitating doors and the customizability of it, you can get one 8 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet custom. You got shelving on the top, and apparently this holds up to 10,000 pounds, so you could literally put engine blocks on top of it if I had a little bit more space. And there's something just really satisfying about sliding these things on their smooth tracks. I got a link in the description below if you guys are interested in getting a lev rack for yourself. If you've got a cool garage, seriously, this thing is badass. Further additions to the garage. I'm gonna do a bunch of ambient lighting. I got 70 feet of ambient LED light strips that I'm thinking I'm gonna do in red or a nice blue or purple color all over the roof of this. Then I started to think I really need a driving simulator. So maybe put a driving simulator right here or have a screen right there. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think would be pretty cool. Any suggestions? Seriously, any suggestions at all? I love your guys' opinions. You guys are all smart, have creative ideas. Let me know so we can make the Vehicle Virgins garage epic. Obviously, someday I want a bigger garage. I was thinking extending the garage out onto the hill right here, maybe another 3 slots, because, well, yes, I can cram 3 cars in there, but certainly cannot cram all 6. The cars just look so sick tucked away in the black garage. I am so in love with the Huracan Evo Spider. So guys, smash the like button if you're in love with the Huracan Evo Spider 2. In the next video, I'm taking it to go look at wrap options. I'm so pumped for that. I know I've been talking about it for a while, but finally, we are gonna get a wrap on the Huracan Evo. All right, so I'm thinking it's probably time to take the Supra for a little rip. All right, guys, cold startup in the Supra. Let's hit it. My God, I literally just turned it on and it sounded like a bomb went off. Listen to this thing, guys. Okay, well, that's definitely a little aggressive. All right, guys, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I'm gonna drive the Supra around in a crowded area, although not too many crowded areas right now, and get people's reaction to the car backfiring. That actually scares me sometimes, and I'm used to the car. Before we rip it, for those that are new to the channel, this is my 2020 Toyota Supra with a pure turbo 800 upgrade, E85 fuel, downpipes with no catalytic converters, and it makes about 700 crank horsepower. On that note, let's take it for a rip. Go! All right, Supra's ready to go. Oh, there we go. Turbo kicks in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this thing is a blast. Like I've said in past videos, it doesn't have the best suspension in the world. In fact, the amount of body roll it has is kind of scary, but because it's got body roll, it's exceptionally easy to drift, and it certainly makes the experience behind the wheel extraordinarily entertaining. If I could make this car perfect, it would have better suspension and brakes. Maybe that's in the works, but guys, let me know if you actually enjoy Supra content, genuinely. Well, this video certainly wouldn't be fun without at least doing one burnout in the Supra. All right, I'm gonna turn traction control off. To turn traction control off, go ahead and click this once, and then click and hold. And then up on the screen, VSC off. All right, let's do it. Oh my God. Yep, that was a lot of smoke. Oh my God. This car is an absolute riot. I mean, that's as good as a burnout as any Hellcat or Demon I've seen, and it's just a little Toyota Supra. I mean, yeah, obviously it's got 700 horsepower though. Smoke is like still in the cabin. I don't know how that's possible or where it's coming from, but that's not ideal. Well, the entire car smells like no catalytic converters and tire rubber. That is, I don't know what it is about this car. It's not the fastest, it's not the best handling, but it is so damn fun. It is an absolutely unbelievable day out today. Look how beautiful the Santa Monica Mountains are in between Calabasas and Malibu. Feeling blessed to drive this thing. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave this car up to you guys and determine mods based on what you wanna see on the car. Obviously, the original goal was to 2JZ swap it, to go crazy power, make it a drag build and or a drift build, but unfortunately, due to delays because of COVID-19, I wasn't able to do that. All of the manufacturers kind of stopped making parts and the project, well, honestly, it kind of fell apart. But guys, what would you like to see? Or do you want me to sell the Supra and get something else? I love the car, but I want to make sure that this is something you guys care about and want to see on the channel.
Is it a Supra?
It's a Supra, bro. Is that an M2, bro?
I think so, it's a rental.
All right. That was hilarious. What up, guys? Couple of fans that came by said, is that a Supra? And then literally did a burnout. That's fire. I love it. The car community, man. I miss car shows, I miss traveling, I miss going to car events, but that'll be back soon, and Vehicle Virgins will be covering all of it and more. I do gotta say, from the side profile, especially the rear quarter angle, looks really nice. I mean, the stock wheels are menacing. The car's ride height's not bad. It definitely, you know, could use some aftermarket modifications, other than, of course, all of the performance upgrades. Just because it looks stock does not mean it is, but it could look a little bit cooler. The interior of the Supra is pretty decent. The seats are comfortable. It's covered in leather everywhere. I love that there's a wireless charging port right down here for your phone. Everything is easy to use. The multimedia system is exactly the same as a BMW. You use this little iDrive-like controller here. The only thing I really don't like is the steering wheel. It's just, I don't know, it's just lame. I do have to say though, the dash is pretty cool, and yeah, I mean, those sounds are crazy. 4,655 miles on the clock. All right, let's head back to the house. Every car guy's favorite sign in the world. Next 4 miles, twisty roads, back out in the canyons. Look at that view. Oh my God, it's a crystal clear day. Oh, the Supra's like, yep, I'm having fun. Oh my God, that is actually aggressive as hell. Wow, so nice out, holy moly. All right, another burnout, because why the heck not? I've said it before and I'll say it again. The one thing they royally messed up with the Supra is that with the windows down, if you're driving at over 40 miles an hour, I slowed down so I can make this clip, the noises that your ears endure because of the wind trapped inside the cabin creating turbulent airflow is horrendous. I don't get how they made that mistake. Guys, I'm incredibly excited to announce that I'm going to be posting much more frequently on Vehicle Virgin's YouTube channel. Honestly, guys, I completely miss vlogging. I miss the near daily uploads, and it makes it feel like we're connecting more on a daily basis and actually going through this journey together. So I'm gonna commit to myself and to you guys to uploading 5 times a week now: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the near daily uploads are about to resume, and Vehicle Virgin is going to be posting all the time. The latest car news, how-to videos, tutorials, stuff about cheap, older, used cars that are more affordable for the masses. I want to get back to my roots and post a lot more content about more relatable cars to everyone. I really need to get a cheap car too that we can all work on together, something that's easy to work on ourselves and that you guys could go out and buy and follow my modification process to up the car in terms of its looks, in terms of its speed, and then maybe even sell it for a profit and do a whole video series on that. I'm super pumped on this, guys. Vehicle Virgins is coming back. Back up the hill we go. I need a hill climb for this thing. Oh, watch out, bunny rabbits. So pumped on that garage setup. And remember, guys, on Friday, picking out the wrap color for the Lamborghini Huracan. And yeah, there's some awesome content coming this way. So make sure notification bell is on, you're subscribed, hit that like button. All right, guys, see you next video.